Billy Boy, how a condom is made. Billy Boy, the leading condom brand in Germany, made by the company Marpa Limited. The production and administration facilities of Marpa Limited are located in the town of Seven in northern Germany between Hamburg and Bremen. Billy Boy is the #1 condom in Germany, and Billy Boy condoms even take a top rank in terms of quality on a European level. But how is a condom actually manufactured? Every condom is made from a natural material called latex, which is harvested by tapping it from rubber trees. Pure latex from Asia is shipped regularly to the Marpa plant in Seven. This latex meets highest quality requirements, and a sample is taken from each shipment to test its quality. Once tested and processed, the latex mixtures are filtered and made ready for the actual production of the condoms. The next processing step is called the dipping process. Rotating glass formers are fastened to a computer-monitored endless chain. In the initial phase, these glass formers are cleaned and dried before they are immersed for the first dipping process. They are slowly immersed into the latex mixture and equally carefully come out of the dipping tank again. In this step, it is important that the latex film gets an even and wafer-thin strength. Next, the rotating glass formers are passed along drying and curing ovens, where the latex film is dried. To produce safe condoms with an adequate thickness, every condom is immersed and dried twice. All temperatures as well as the immersion speed are constantly monitored to ensure smooth operation of the fully automated immersion chain. Another important processing stage of condom production is the creation of the rolling rim. For this, every condom is given a rim at the open end of the former that can be rolled down. A final drying process called vulcanization makes sure the condom has the required elasticity. Now the dried condoms are stripped from the glass formers to be washed and dried. During this process, the condoms receive the required dry coating. Next, they are subjected to electronic tests. This is the test during which a high voltage is applied between metal forms and rotating carbon fiber. If any voltage passes through an otherwise insulating condom, this condom is faulty and will be rejected immediately. This pinhole test makes sure that all condoms produced are 100% pinhole free. Once tested and rolled up, the condoms can now be wrapped into their primary wrappers. Fully automatically, each condom is sealed airtight into its own sealing foil. Here, each condom type also receives its specific lubricated coating and aromatic flavor. To meet the consumer's high quality requirements, these sealed condom batches are now subjected to a whole series of elaborate inspections and tests. Thus, the international standard ISO 4074, for instance, requires that spot checks are made, ensuring that the bursting volume of a condom after an artificial aging process, respectively until the actual expiration date, must amount to at least 18 liters. All Marpa quality condoms exceed this threshold by far. The second test of these spot checks examines the condom's stretch resistance. Here, stretch coefficients of 700% and more of the original coefficient must be reached. Finally, another pinhole test completes this series of tests. This time the condoms are placed over an electric conductor and filled with water. Then they are immersed into a water-based solution to check whether any condom tested has a pinhole. If the electric circuit between the conductors in the condoms and the voltage source in the basin closes, one of the condoms has a pinhole. Such microholes are not visible to the naked eye. As the use of condoms is not just a matter of trust and safety, but also affects hygiene, the condom batches are subjected to another voluntary examination, which ensures that they are microbiologically clean. Under sterile conditions, the condoms are cut and immersed into a sterile solution. This solution is then vacuum filtered and subsequently checked for any germs that might have been passed on. This extra check is documented by the DLF quality seal printed on each single condom pack. MAPA also employs state-of-the-art technology for packaging the condoms. Every final package is automatically fitted with a manual outlining the correct use of the condoms, the lot number and the expiration date. The correct weight of its contents is also checked. Next, the packs are packaged into the respective sales units and into cardboard boxes. Finally, the condoms are sent out to the retailers and thus to consumers all over the world. The Billy Boy trademark range offers a variety of different condom types to meet all consumer needs. Billy Boy Fun, the condom with the fun factor. A large choice of surfaces, colors and aromas ensures variety in lovemaking. Billy Boy B2, the condom for special pleasure. Billy Boy B2 stands for premium quality, which combines absolute safety with a cultivated way of life. Be it about feeling, long and intense pleasure, or especially reliable protection. Billy Boy White, the condom for natural well-being. Extremely delicate, transparent condoms with lubricant and an especially pleasant scent.